We're in the mood for some sloppy joes, so let's make some. And this is a super simple recipe. We're going to start off with 1 onion that we've diced. And to that, we're going to add a pound of ground beef. And we're just going to cook that until it's all browned up. We're just going to cook our meat and crumble it up. Now, please remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos. It really helps us out. All right, our meat is nice and brown. Now, we use a grass-fed beef that's low in fat. If you use an 80-20 or 73 type, you want to make sure that you drain the fat. We don't have much on ours, so we're just going to leave it in there. We're going to start off by putting in here a 3/4 cup of ketchup. One tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard. That is if it wants to come out. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. We're just going to give this a nice mix. And we're going to let this simmer. Now, if you want to do a longer version and let these flavors meld a little bit better, you can stick this all in a crock pot, put a lid on it, and cook it for roughly 3 hours. For us, all we're going to do is mix everything together because we're hungry. We're going to let this simmer maybe for a couple of minutes. I'm going to place it on our buns. So we've let that cook down for just a couple of minutes. As you can tell, that sauce is thickened up. All right, we're going to turn this off. We've got our buns here. You can top this with whatever you like. We like onions, we like pickles. But today we're really in the mood for some sweet and spicy pickle or jalapenos, or as some people call them, candied jalapenos. And we're going to link that recipe below because it's a great recipe. Just get a couple of those on there. All right, we hope that you enjoy this recipe.